I can't stand when I see people clipping this to their harness. That's not safe. Do you know what this was designed for? Let me show you. To hold the lid on. This may or may not have fallen off my partner's harness while we were trying to climb Lurking Fear once. Not only did he now not have his water, luckily there was no one below us, because honestly this could hurt somebody, kill them, even if they have a helmet on. We're gonna drop test this on the drop tower and find out how many kilonewtons it takes to break this. Oh, not strong at all. It broke. I have seen this too often on big walls, is people just hanging this off of a carabiner. I've also seen once, you know that paper plastic one, that handle that like this? Somebody clipped that. If this falls and lands on somebody, it will kill them. Rock! Nalgene with a clove hitch. Woo! That's scary to film and drop. It held. So 0.77 kilonewtons, this is actually starting to come off. So clove isn't exactly the best way. Let's try one more way. Now let's try a barrel knot. Oh, my favorite knot failed. Let's see if this clove hitch works on a gallon jug. Boom. Damn. Okay, so just don't drop your bottles. I think that's the moral of the story. So last night we were using our melons and realized we should drive this point home. And Bobby didn't want to volunteer, so we got a watermelon. Careful, it's only clove hitched. All right, I'm ready to be lifted up. Let's do this. The goal is not to hit all my cameras. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, our poor rubber's got all that juice in it. And we got a little bit of a different result. Oh, that's a stronger melon. I don't know how strong my skull is compared to these melons. All I know is I wouldn't want your bottle hitting me in the head. Maybe we can explore some ideas on how to keep our bottles safe. But this was fun. So I don't know how much more I need to do to drive the point home that we don't want things like this landing on other people. I'm not convinced now that any tether is going to work on thin-lipped bottles, and I think a bottle like this is actually going to be the best bet, and that's not going to come off your harness if you were to take a whipper and everything gets kind of shock loaded that's connected to you. And this doesn't just apply to water bottles. Please tether anything that's attached to you in order to not drop anything and anybody. When I was climbing the nose, there was a party in front of us that was slightly around the corner, so I thought it was a body that fell. It was just their poop tube. You know, the annoying PVC pipe kind. You don't need to do that. We've got a video on how to poop lightweight. But that thing weighs like 5 or even 10 pounds depending how you build them. And yeah, that fell 600 feet. And I thought it was a human, so I thought I was freaking out and everything, but that could have landed on somebody. It doesn't matter whether it's what's going in or what's coming out or anything in between. Please make sure it's tethered. It kind of tastes like rubber. Okay, I'm done.